Hi friends! Today we will learn kitchen action words. Let's cook, play, and help at home. Wash the veggies. Splash, splash, clean.
Cut the carrots. Chop, chop, chop.
Peel the potato. Slide, 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 slide.
Spread the butter. Ooh, smooth and tasty. Ah!
Stir the soup round and round.
Pour the juice. Glug, glug, glug. Woo! Huh?
Roll the dough. Roll, roll, roll. Serve the food. Yummy for everyone. Bake, cook yummy treats in the oven. Clean the table. Wipe, wipe, shine. Great job! We learned kitchen action words today. See you next time. Bye-bye.